In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to make a handwriting animation whiteboard video for free just in few minutes. So this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. Let's get started. I just made this video, and what you need to do first is you need to go to Google and you need to search for Canva. Okay, so we will use only Canva to make this video. It's super easy. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, and it's for free. And what you need to do next, click over here on custom size, okay, and choose this size, okay, over here. Then click over here on create new design, okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to click over here on text, okay, and scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use for your handwriting video animation. I'm gonna use this one. I will click on this text and your text will be over here. I will click on the second one. I'm gonna delete this one. This one I will make it small like this. You can also decrease font size from here, or you can increase font size from here, okay, like this. So what I will do, I will double click on this one and I'm gonna write here welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel, okay, and I will make it like this. Welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel, and I will click on this text and I will click on text color, and I'm gonna choose a black color because it's really perfect for handwriting whiteboard animation videos. And I will click over here and I'm gonna choose this font from here. This one looks really good, okay. Just click on this font and it should be selected like this. And what I will do, I will click on this text and I will increase the font like this. Welcome, okay, I'm gonna put this one over here. Welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel, okay. And what I will do next, so let's add something. Welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel. In this video, we will make a handwriting video, okay. I'm gonna make it like this. And what you need to do next, you can click over here on element, okay, click on element. So just click on element and you can click on this search and you can search, for example, for handwriting. You can search for any stickers that you want to add to your video, okay. You can search over here in elements. You can search for any stickers and click on graphics and you will find a lot of stickers here, okay. I'm gonna use, for example, this one, as you can see, and I will also search for YouTube logo. I will click on graphics and I will add, for example, this one. You just click on the sticker that you want to add like this, as you can see. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download and click again over here on download, okay. And you need to download this image to your laptop, okay. After you finish, so my image was downloaded to my laptop, scroll down, click over here on add page, okay. Then what you need to do, so you have here design, element, text, scroll down and go and search for this app over here, Speed Paint, okay. If you don't have this option, let me show you. Go over here to apps, okay, go to apps and search for, so let me see the name, speed paint. Okay, search for speed paint. Okay, and click on this app over here like this, and it's gonna take you to this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to upload the picture that you made on Canva. I will click over here on choose file, and I will choose this picture. Okay, so it's not, so let me find the picture. Okay, this is the picture that we made. Welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel. In this video we will make a handwriting video. I will click on open, and your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, so keep scrolling down, go to color file duration and choose 3 seconds. Scroll down and select add sketching hand effect and click on animate image. Okay, click on animate image, and you just need to wait few seconds and your handwriting video will be created using just this Canva app. Okay, it's really amazing. Okay, you don't need, it will take just few minutes. So I will get back to you guys to see the final result. And here you go guys, your video will be done. Okay, let's click over here on more and click on set the video as background, and your video will be done. Okay, let's check this video. You can see it's really amazing, and it's just in few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna delete this page that we made. Let's check this video again. That's really amazing. Okay, so it's a really great, and as you can see, it's super easy to make handwriting whiteboard animation videos only using Canva. Okay, after you finish, you can just click over here on share, scroll down, click on download, click again on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Okay, you can also increase the quality here. Okay, they have 4K quality. You can make it just to this quality for this is good quality. Okay, and click on download. This whiteboard handwriting whiteboard animation video will be download to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments.